So I just picked up this set of pigtail replacement connectors and wire connectors to go to my heating element on my dryer. So I just want to show you how this looks out of the box. So far so good. Those connectors look good. Those look like the ones that'll fit, but we'll verify once we get on the dryer. And we have two wire connectors, wire nuts here. They look to be of quality as well. So this is how it looks out the box in the package. Now let's head over to the dryer and we'll get these installed. So you see we've got our pigtail replacement heating element connector in place. It mated up nicely with the heating element here. Our wire connectors in place. The gauge of this wire was a perfect match for my dryer, so this wire nut went on without an issue. And also we've got some electrical tape on here just to secure this connection.